Hi, what's going on? My name is Anant, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to find someone's email and phone number from their LinkedIn profile. So as you can see over here, I've opened a LinkedIn profile and I was able to get their email and their phone number. Now, since this person works at many different companies, as you can see over here, if I scroll down, she works at multiple different companies and she's still working at these companies. Hence, we were able to get her all the emails that we could possibly get. And we were also able to get you the personal email of this person as well. So if I take any of the email, let's say this one, and try to also verify this using a third-party email verification platform, then I can show you how this platform can get you the emails that are 100% verified. So as you can see over here, this is a third-party platform, and when we unlock the email, what it is telling us that this email is 100% verified. I can take some another email just to show you an example. So I'm going to take another email, which is a personal email, and let's see if that is a verified email or not. And there you go. It's 100% safe to send an email to this email ID. So this tool ensures that every time you unlock someone's email, it double and triple checks their email ID so that you always get clean and verified email. Now you can also do this in bulk. Let's say you have searched for something in LinkedIn and you want to export the entire search result, then you can export into a spreadsheet like this. So stick to this video because I'm going to show you how exactly you can do something like this. Alright, so the very first thing you have to do is go ahead and create your free account with GrowthToolkit.io. You will get 50 free email credits every single month so that you can unlock these profiles from LinkedIn. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on sign up for free so that I can create my account. And as you can see, I've already created my account, so I don't have to do that again. But once you have created your account, you can go ahead and download the Chrome extension from here. So I'm going to click on download the Chrome extension. And there you go. So we have now downloaded the Chrome extension successfully. Now, since I have a Mac, I can unzip this extension with a single click. When you double click on the zip file, it'll be automatically extracted. If you have a window, all you have to do, right click and then click on extract all so that you can unzip the file. Now, once you have unzipped the file, you need to go to your extensions, which you can find over here. So you see the extension icon, you click on this and then click on manage extension and it's going to take you to this page. Now, what you need to do is you need to enable the developer mode from here, which is going to be disabled by default. And then you're going to click on load unpacked and then you're going to select the folder that you have just unzipped. So I'm going to click on that and you have successfully installed the Chrome extension. Now, all we have to do is go to someone's LinkedIn profile and then click on the unlock email button so that you can find their email ID. So if I refresh over here, I have already unlocked this email ID. That's why you will see the email ID that would show up over here. Let's see. So since I've already unlocked the email ID and phone number, you can see I'm able to get their email, their phone number, their personal details like skills, company, work experience, and all the other things about this person. And all of that is updated on real time. So you're not getting any of the outdated email or outdated information about this person. Now you can do the same thing in a bulk search as well. All you have to do is go ahead and search for, let's say, CEOs. And we want to find CEOs from United States. So I'm going to apply some basic filters. So first thing, I'm going to select on people tab so that I can get all the people instead of, all the other options that we have. And then let's say I just want to target United States. And then if you want to apply further filters, you can go ahead and do that. Like you can apply filters based on their industry, their past companies, and lots of other things. So I'm going to apply the filter as industry, which is technology, information, and media. And then I will, get a result like this. Now, once you get a result like this, all you have to do is click on the Chrome extension. And now you have to tell the Chrome extension that how many pages are you looking to scrape? Because right now you see there's only one page and it goes up to 100 pages, right? So if you want to scrape all 100 pages, you have to mention that I'm looking to scrape all 100 pages. Now, you might think that scraping from LinkedIn can get me in trouble, but this Chrome extension is built in such a way that it acts exactly like human and it understands that how do we act and scrape the profile to ensure that we never ever get your LinkedIn account any sort of warning, right? So we always ensure that your account is 100% safe while we are scraping the profiles from LinkedIn. Not a single customer or a user of GrowthToolkit who have used this Chrome extension ever gotten in trouble. But my recommendation is that when you're scraping a long list like 100 pages, then keep the speed as moderate so that it can slowly go to all the pages, acting very much like a human and get you all the profiles. But for now, for the sake of this demonstration, I'm just going to keep 2 pages, speed as moderate, and I'm going to create a new list, which I'm going to call it as new list. and I'm going to save every single contact that we are unlocking in this list. So all we have to do is click on auto save. Now you can see over here, it is slowly scrolling just like a human, right? And then it's going to go to the next page, and then it's going to perform the scraping. But guess what? While we're doing all of that, we ensure that we are not making any API calls to LinkedIn. All the enrichment, all the data unlocking happens in the backend, right? And that is what is something which ensures that your LinkedIn account is 100% safe while we are scraping using a Chrome extension. So I think we've already scraped the first page, and now is the second page. Once it is done, we can then go to the profile and see all the unlocked profile. And the best part about GrowthToolkit is that GrowthToolkit give you unlimited scraping from LinkedIn, which means if you just want to scrape data and not their email or phone number, then you can scrape as many LinkedIn profile as you want, right? We do not charge you anything for scraping just the LinkedIn profile and few other irrelevant information. So we're going to look at the list and see what exactly do we get about these profile. You can see we are getting their name, their job profile, their location. We're also getting their LinkedIn URL. Once you export the list, you will also get the LinkedIn URL. And then now if you want to unlock more information about these guys, then you're going to click on enrich list. So when I click on enrich list, you can see I have to select people search because we have scraped from the people search. Now over here, you can see I can save all the unlock contacts in any list that I want. So I'm going to create, let's say, new list enriched, right? And all the contacts which are going to get unlocked, that can be saved inside this list. Now, if you want to unlock email, you can do that. If you want to unlock just phone, you can do that. If you want to unlock both, you can absolutely do that as well, right? So you can just go over here and start the enrichment, and the enrichment is going to scrape their emails, phone numbers, and every single thing about these, people. So let's say once you have enriched their profiles, you can always go to your list, which is, this one. And then you can see there are plenty of contacts that were unlocked. So I'm going to show you some of the contacts that we unlocked, right? So if you see over here, let's see if we can get their email ID. You can see over here, this person, his email is yula.com. Right? So as you can see, there were a few contacts for which we were not able to get you the email and phone number, but don't worry about that, because if we cannot get you the email ID and phone number, it means that we could not find their verified emails. It could be we might have their email, but the reason why we don't show you those emails is because those could be risky emails, and we only charge you when you get 100% verified email. Otherwise, you won't pay for that email credit. That is the best part about GrowthToolkit. So let's say if we are giving you the email ID of any person, then we are 100% sure that it is a verified email. You can test it out. You can take this email and you can just throw it inside, some third-party email verification software to check if the email really exists and it's really deliverable or not. So you can see over here 98 by 100, score we are getting for this email. That means it's 100% safe to send an email, right? Now, once you have this list, you can go ahead and export all the contacts, and you will get a spreadsheet like this where you have their email, phone number, and everything about them. So that's how you can scrape from the free version of LinkedIn. Now you can do the same thing in Sales Navigator. You can apply the same kind of filters in Sales Navigator. It's just that Sales Navigator gives you more filters. So let's say I just want to find people who are working in accounting. I will get the list of all these people, and then I just have to click on the Chrome extension. It's going to scrape all the profiles from here. Now you can do the same thing with LinkedIn groups as well. So let me take you to the LinkedIn groups. If we search for LinkedIn groups, what you need to do, just go to the group and join that group. So what I need to do here is be a part of this group. Let's see if I'm already, okay, it looks like I'm already a part of this group. If you have joined the group, you'll see an option where you can see all the members, right? So I'm going to click on show all, and we can see all the members who are part of this group. And then we can use the Chrome extension to scrape every single person who is part of this group. So there are multiple different ways through which you can scrape bulk emails and phone numbers which are 100% verified from LinkedIn using growthtoolkit.io. If you haven't signed up yet, create your free account and we'll see you there. Bye-bye.